To say the French R, say G as in get or go. Put your tongue in the G position. Then the back of your tongue should go to the root of your mouth, to the roof of your mouth. Then breathe on that G. To say the French R sound, say G as in get or go, G. Put your tongue in the G, G position. The back of your tongue should go to the roof of your mouth. Then breathe on that G, G, G. Now say regarder. Je regarde la télévision. Now say miroir. G. Or reine. G. Every time you see the French R, say the G sound and then breathe on it. The French R does not exist in English.